Good day, sir. My name is John Fire of S1H section. I'm going to answer the topic 4, division of substance. The IBC code, BCH code, and the IMDG code are international codes and regulations related to the safe transport of dangerous goods by sea. Number 1, IBC code, International Bulk Chemical Code. These codes provides guidelines for the safe transport of bulk liquid chemicals. It specifies the design and construction standard for ships carrying such chemicals, along with procedures for their safe handling and transportation. Number 2, BCH code, or code for the construction and equipment of ships carrying dangerous chemical in bulk. The BCH code is a subset of the IBC code. It specifically addresses ships carrying dangerous chemicals in bulk and lay down requirements for their construction and equipment to ensure the safety of both the crew and the environment. Number 3, IMDG code, or International Maritime Dangerous Goods Code. The IMDG code is a global code governing the safe transport of dangerous goods by sea in package form. It classifies dangerous goods, prescribes packaging and labeling requirements, and provides instructions for their stowage and segregation to prevent accident during shipping. And that's all, sir. Thank you.